So, I didn't see a video on YouTube about the Maverick 88 having a stuck trigger assembly. So I believe that it's getting stuck on something back there. I've removed the pin, the barrel. I've tried everything, every which way. Ran across a couple forums. Guys have had the same issue, but no response or no update on how they fixed it. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this. Now it only comes out about this far. I'm thinking that it's getting stuck on something. Something came out of adjustment. The whole reason I'm taking this apart is because I was having a misfire or a non-fire issue. I haven't cleaned it yet, so it's still pretty dirty. But I'm willing to bet something's stuck in there.